Welcome to the channel, folks. Model Car Guy Rich here. Today I've got an unboxing of 1955 Chevy Nomad AMT Ertl edition, 125 scale. This here's a 3-in-1 kit, and this kit came out, I believe, 1997. Yep, right there, 1997. Here's a shot of the back with the old 283 in there. Very nice. One of my favorite Chevy engines. Kit number 8320. Some info on the back here. Try and zoom in on that and get some glare off it for you. Alrighty, skill level 2 on this one. Okay, first off we have a bag full of molded in gray parts. Excuse me, I'm going to go ahead and cut right into it. Alrighty. Right off the bat here, we got the body. Really sharp. Oh, slippery too. A couple of pieces here got to be cut out. The old Black Sabbath cross there. Yep. Some little bit of flashing, not too bad. A little on the thin side, but not horrible. Something funny going on under here. I guess it's some flashing there. I couldn't really see it without putting my finger up to it. It's got to be trimmed up a little bit. Front end shot there. Alrighty. Next we have the interior, which is full front to back. Pretty interesting. Lightly detailed. Not a whole lot going on there. Has clutch pedal, brake, and gas pedal. The back is really the nicest part of it. Got the ribbed bottom there. Okay, tow board. Yeah, not a whole lot going on with that, but you know, good quality. Feels good. Here next up we have the chassis with the frame molded in and the exhaust, part of it at least. Spare tire well and the fuel tank. Got a couple of holes there for some air shocks or regular shocks, whichever. I'm going to go ahead and pop that off just so it doesn't get poking anything. Alrighty. Next we got a couple rows of seats. Looks like this is the way back seat. And the passenger seat, or the front seat. Yeah, it looks like only 2 rows of seats because this is the Nomad. Yeah. There's the dashboard. Some flashing. Man, a lot of flashing on this kit. Oh, some other seats. Let's show you, this is a 3-in-1 kit, so you got some kind of weird bucket things here. Almost look like van seats, but yet they all also look like them game chairs that they used to sell for the kids playing games on TV. You know, the video chair. Kind of funny. Here's a hood. Decent hood. Got a space for a cutout. Fine little detail, not a whole lot going on there. One of these, I don't really know what this is. It's, I don't know, it's kind of weird. How does that? I'm not quite sure what this is I'm looking at. Because this is, well, let's grab the body. It's not going to go here. Oh, maybe you could make it to have it look like the tailgate is open, I guess. That would be one thing, but boy, it doesn't really fit on there real good. You either cut that off. Yeah, I'm not sure. You could, well, back in the day, now I built a 57 Chevy Nomad, and I cut the roof off and made it into like an El Camino. So this would have saved me a heck of a lot of time. Put that on there and make it into a flatbed like a Nomad pickup. That would be kind of slick. I'll have to see if I can find that old the old Nomad and dig that out and show you guys. Here's the back of a tailgate, inside portion, license plates, and a stick. Yep, there we go. Big old styrene stick there, fellas. Not sure what that's for. Here's the tailgate. Excuse me a minute. Well, sorry about that. Some suspension parts. They look nice and, you know, a little bit better detail. Here's drive shaft with all kinds of flashing. Not really sure what that is. Almost, well, it wouldn't be a drive shaft protector. Front wheel parts. This looks like a helmet. This is a helmet. Look at that, guys. A little helmet. Don't really know what that's for. Maybe there's a little dude in there somewhere. And off the tree we have the radiator. A couple little horns engraved in there. You have the 283 engine. Like I said, that's one of my favorites. We got the water pump, exhaust manifolds, air cleaner, intake, battery, fan belt and pulley system with the alternator front built in. Parts of the customizing deal, I'm pretty sure. Seat belts. Nice little set there. Got the engine all together. That's pretty cool. Steering wheel. Oh, a couple of steering wheels. Old Batman style steering wheel, Batmobile. And then the regular standard steering wheel. Steering column. A possible radiator hose. Hood scoop. Pretty neat. Like that. Very reminiscent of Mopar double scoop. Or Cutlass 440 also. 442. 440, yeah. I think... Well, I'm not sure. This is either another scoop, or it could be one of them pockets that go on the inside of the door panels. You know, like a map holder type thing. Not sure on that yet. Here's some springs. This is going to have steerable front wheels, some suspension parts. All right. Oh, and just dove right into that one. Out of a bag is the glass that does not have the rear portion in. I guess that's separate. And there's another piece. Huh. Okay. Maybe for the customizing part, I'll put that over there. Here's some tires. I have the Suicide tires, Suicide tread. Most likely Firestone. I can't read it. Hold on. Yes, Firestone. It says there in real fine print. I don't know if you guys can focus on it or not. Two of those. And two medium density Goodyear racing slicks for the custom part. Oh, excellent. And then there's two other. So you get four of the standard tires. I was wondering about that. Alright. Well, because it's right here, I'm going to grab that out too. We've got the taillight pieces. Very nice. Done in red, obviously. We'll go ahead and cut right into the chrome. We got two separate chrome trees. You know what? I'm going to split it right down the center here. Let's see. On this side we have 2 wheels and 3 hubcaps. Okay. Okay, the other ones are on the other tree. We'll get to that in a minute. There's the front or rear bumper. I think this is the front one. Some front suspension, a chrome fan, generator with an alternator front on it. Okay. A little moon tank, fuel tank. Chrome rear end again, that's going to be an issue. Chrome exhaust, chrome oil pan, everything on here obviously is chrome. Intake. This piece here I think is the top of air cleaner. Little nut that holds the air cleaner down. Part of the dash, I believe. Little gauge package. Yep, that's it on that one. And the other side, we have the valve covers. I was looking for those. Here's the other wheels. This makes 4, this makes 4. The backings for 4 wheels. These are either roof racks. Yeah, pretty sure those are roof racks. The front hood emblem, airplane. Some lights. These are the front signal lights down here, those. Some rings that go around them. A couple little bits. Some more suspension parts, traction bars, they look like. A tiny little leaf spring. I don't know what that's for. Some headlight buckets. Also different from the 56. Huh. Starter. Alternator. Or no, I'm sorry, that's a distributor. It's hard to see it when it's chrome. Alright. Well, that's all for parts. And we have instructions. We got the Ertl blueprinter thing again. Same fold out as last time. One metal axle down there in the bottom. Leave that in the box. And for here, we have, excellent, we have some info on the 55 Nomad. Was born an instant classic. Some nice little write-up on that. Love when they do that. What to do before you begin. So step 1 is before you begin. Step 2 goes into your engine. Got your stock custom version and a drag version. Very nice. 3 is your wheel assemblies. Color availability. Oh, very cool. Now, they're actually telling you 1955 Nomad color availability, what the actual colors were coming out from the factory. That's very cool. I like that. Talk about different options for your roof color, interiors, your accents. Very nice. Well done, AMT Ertl. I like that a lot. Here we have different seats, some other things. Okay, racing helmet. Okay, so paint and placement is optional, so that's just kind of a little accessory you throw in there. Okay, that's acceptable. We like that. Chassis put together. Stock and custom version. Very nice. Go to the flip side. Let's see the drag version. Body assembly. Okay. And then the stock version. Yes, oh my goodness, look at there, guys. Yep, they're saying if you remove that part of the top, you use that to make a custom version, which basically turns it into a Nomad. 3 years, 4 years before they even came out. Huh, pretty slick. I came up with that thought years ago, but here they are, way before 97 even, but now here they are doing it in 97. That's cool. Alright. And then the drag version, and that's all she wrote on that one, guys, girls. Alright, fellas, and ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching. I appreciate you stopping by. Have yourselves a great day. We'll see you on the next one.